Welcome to the project demonstration of anti-sleep alarm system. So this project is useful while driving. So when a person is in drowsy, when he feels drowsy, so then he may into the sleeping one. So then the accident may occur. So in order to protect that and in order to prevent the accidents, so then the system will detect the drowsiness with help of this eye blink sensor. So here we can see the two IR sensor, one is a transmitter and one is a receiver. So whenever the transmitter transmit the IR rays, if is there any obstacle is there in front of that, so the surface of the obstacle will be reflect the IR rays and that will be received by the IR receiver. So here the white is the transmitter, black color is IR receiver. So this will be converted into the digital signal with help of this IR driver, and that is the input to our nano board. So whenever the IR eye closes, then with help of the reflection from our eyelid, then that will be reflected by the Arduino Nano and it will inform to the receiver. So this is a DC motor presenting as a ignition unit. So through the RF wireless communication with 433 megahertz frequency, in the wireless frequency we are going to sending the information to the receiver section. So then the DC motor automatically offs. So here in order to off the DC motor, so we are going to detect the duration also. When you are normally blinks, the blinking rate is different and drowsiness is different. So when you close the eye for at least of 1 second duration, then automatically the system will alert the driver with help of this buzzer as a audible indication. And also we are going to isolate the power supply to the ignition with help of this transistor board, and that signal will be received by the RF receiver to the decoder IC directly to this motor. So here we are going to interface this eye blink sensor to the nano board at A0 pin, and the output of this RF transmitter interface at second pin directly here, and here directly receiver and decoder data will be given to the buzzer. So we have soldered the directly D0 pin, means data 0. So here the data 0 will be getting signal from the Arduino Nano board. So the whole system getting power supply at the transmitter end with help of this 9 volts battery, and at the receiver end we are providing the adapter. So this adapter will step down the 230 volts AC to 5 volts DC. So we can use 5 volts directly to the car ignition also, the car battery. So there we will get the 5 volts power supply from the DC adapter slot in the car ignition. So let us see the demonstration. Just I will show you demonstration now with the hand, and later on I will fix into my head. First of all, right. First of all, on the transmitter end, right. Now it is normal condition as ignition got switched on and buzzer is normal. So then, so if I close my eyes, the eyelid will reflect the IR rays. So after 1 second of duration, then automatically buzzer on and motor off. Again, when it is coming to the normal, right. So normal condition, eye blinks, no input signal to the ignition. Right, it's normal. So let us see directly in real time. So we need to check the eye lid blink sensor. So when we close the eye, then only this another light should on. So we should mount the eye blink sensor on your head as I shown in the video. So when you are blinking the eye, so then for every blink there will light get switched on. So it's normal condition. And whenever in the drowsy mode, so when the eye closes for 1 second duration, automatically the motor got switched off. So as normal, the motor got switched on. Again, in drowsy mode, so the motor got switched off and continuously buzzer on. Normal again, the motor got switched on. Right.